everyone. Welcome to Grade 10 Chemistry class. Today we will discuss Chapter 4 Carbon and its Compounds. And the topic which we are going to discuss is isomerism. And we are also going to discuss about the different isomers of butane and pentane. Now, what is isomerism? Isomerism means compounds which have same chemical formula but they have different structures. So this phenomenon is known as isomerism. In carbon chemistry or organic chemistry, we have many compounds in which they have same chemical formula. But we can represent the same molecular formula with different types of structures, which means their structural formula will be different, even though they have the same chemical formula. So this phenomenon is known as isomerism. So such type of compounds that show isomerism are called isomers. So isomerism means compounds will have same chemical formula but they have different structural formula. And the corresponding members we say isomers. So usually isomers have identical chemical formula, which means they have same chemical formula but they differ in their properties and in the arrangement of atoms in the molecule. Now we can write the different isomers possible for butane molecule. So butane is an alkane. So when you write the general formula for alkane CnH2n plus 2, and if you put n is equal to 4, you will get butane. So C4H2 into 4 plus 2, which means C4H10. So this is butane molecule. In butane molecule, there are 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. So we can represent this molecule in a normal structure as C, second carbon, third carbon, and this is the fourth carbon. So there are 4 carbon atoms and number of hydrogen atoms will be 10. So these are the hydrogen atoms: CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So this is the structure of butane molecule, and this butane we say N-butane or normal butane structure. N-butane. N represents normal. This is the normal structure of butane molecule. We have one more way to represent this butane molecule. So instead of writing 4 carbons in the straight chain, we can reduce the straight chain number as 3. So 1, 2, 3 carbons I wrote in a straight chain, and the fourth carbon I am just going to put in the second carbon atom. This is the another way to represent the chemical formula C4H10. So here when you put hydrogen atoms, the first carbon will have 3 hydrogen. So it is CH3. Second carbon, already 3 valencies are satisfied, so you need to put only one more hydrogen. And third carbon you will have 3 hydrogen atoms. And the one which we written as branched carbon, there you have to write 3 hydrogen atoms. So its condensed formula can be written in this way: CH3, CH3. The second carbon you have a branch in the branch like CH2. So this is the second possibility to write the formula C4H10. So the chemical formula C4H10 in butane molecule can be represented like normal butane, and this we say isobutane. Normal butane or isobutane. So these are the two different structural formula we can write for a single chemical formula C4H10. So we say this molecule exhibit isomerism, and these are the two different structural isomers of butane. Actually, we in the first isomer we have written all four carbon atoms in a straight chain, and in second isomer, okay, we reduce the number of carbon chain. Here the straight chain will have only 3 carbon, okay, but in the first structure we have 4 carbon atoms, which means we have reduced the straight chain. We have reduced the length of the chain in the molecule. So this type of isomerism we say chain isomerism. Chain isomerism. So chain isomerism means in isomerism we are writing the different types of compounds by reducing the chain length. So this is chain isomerism. So butane will have two chain isomers, normal butane or N-butane, or we can say the second one is isobutane. Now, if you write pentane, pentane formula will be C5 pentane C5 H 2 into 5 plus 2, so which means C5 H12. So this is pentane. There are 5 carbon atoms that you can write in a straight chain. So this structure, all the carbon atoms we are writing in a straight chain way. So this is a normal pentane, N for normal. Remaining part you can add hydrogen, CH3, CH3, this is CH2. Put all the middle carbon atoms to hydrogen, and the end carbon atoms you can add 3 hydrogen atoms. So this is normal pentane, or we can write in this way CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. All the 5 carbon atoms we write in the straight chain way. And another possibility to write this pentane molecule by reducing the number of carbon in the straight chain. So now in the first structure all the 5 carbon atoms we write in the straight chain way. So in the second structure we are writing all the 4 carbon atoms in the straight chain, and the second carbon we will be writing in the second carbon we have given a substitution for the fifth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon we are writing in the straight chain way, and the fifth one we putting in the second carbon. So the molecule structure will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth carbon, and then you can add hydrogen atoms. CH3, second carbon we need to add only 1 hydrogen, third carbon you can add 2 hydrogen, and the fourth one you can add 3 hydrogen. The substituted carbon you need to add 3 hydrogens. So this is CH3, CH, CH2, CH3. Here you need to add one CH3 group. So here substitution we have given in the second carbon, okay, by reducing the chain length. So this is also chain isomers of pentane, because we are reducing only the chain length, means the parent skeleton chain length. Now this is called isopentane. And one more possibility we can write in this way. There you need to write only 3 carbon in the straight chain manner. The remaining 2 carbon you can put as the branched chains in the second carbon atom. So if you add hydrogen, the first carbon will contain 3 hydrogen. Second carbon, already 4 valencies are satisfied by forming 4 bonds with the carbon. And the last one you can add CH3. And the upper carbon you can put CH3 and the lower one you can put CH3. Okay. Its name, common name is neopentane. So these are the 3 structural isomers of pentane. Actually, these 3 are chain isomers because we are reduced only the chain length. So they are chain isomers. Pentane will have 3 isomers, 3 chain isomers: normal pentane, isopentane and neopentane.